Damn thing.
You live.
Huh?
Going live. You might live in the car here.
Go get it. I got to take him here. Got it. But in 2 days. My damn mind.
Y'all guys, I just made some homemade dressing and it is the bomb. Found that dressing good. Mm-hmm. Here's some onions, sage.
What's wrong? You gotta talk about like mine. Small like this. What's wrong? What does John Hunter stay with? He stayed with John Hunter. Whatever.
Yeah, my cousin stayed with my uncle.
Hey, Tanya! You look good, rabbit dog out there.
You stepped on her.
No. Look at that dog.
Trying to go out here some good eating, honey. Yeah, cold outside. Gotta get you some what?
Oh, what you got? Oh, we got no police thing. Hey, no, that police counter. I don't want to be on my birthday there tomorrow. Yeah, they take good about it, yeah.
Some good vitamins, really.
Yeah. Right there, Mo. What the? What's that?
It's posse.
Right that damn Mo.
I thought that else your letter.
I am. Get ready to read my paper. Get my back. Get my letter. Get that move. Get another time. Get my black. Mm-hmm. What?
You look kind of young. Look at my glasses.
My black. Read man happened to be it. I got another pair. Oh, every time I go, I'm gonna get something. I ain't got never bought no more than 30 years. Yeah, they give to married to restaurant here, they married them. Just buy my bride. That'd be bad. He running. Look at
You shit. I was about you. Didn't I pay for your car?
Oh.
Dude.
I'm
about to go to hell.
already there.
I'm just playing.
Are you
trying to say it's L living with me?
No. There you go. Okay. Look, get that one going. You get out the stock and say that. Damn. Everybody on the back seat.
Time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to get some dresses, baby. Shit good. What's them doing best for us? That's not wrong.
That's what I'm trying to do from here. It's sniffing nose back. My dog. My horse is never want to race. My horse.
You put your rabbit dog in there, you're a damn horse. Which one is it?
Old man told me that a long time. He said, boy, you my horse and they never want to race. But how about coming to it? Oh, really? Man.
Get back over there. Oh, in the floor. We don't. Time we gonna get the overtime.
Like the boy from CDs, I respect that how he doesn't in there about. No, you go. I'm going if ain't too many people down there, too many people, I ain't.
When we get ready to go to the movie, that's when I'm going to see.
Alright, well, I get my other thing. Oh,
And you got something like you get them like that.
yeah.
I actually believe you bullshit because you got some bitch down there.
Oh, yeah, I took good little bit there. I could have went by there. I didn't even take the check about that. Yeah, I'll take it back home. Not bad. Oh. I'm gonna get that more cigarette.
You see people call me on check on the check.
Yeah. What you got about that for? I know him, he know me. That changed. I was with drink. Yeah. Drink. Damn.
What time you leave?
Somebody read my letter, we're gonna go. You're gonna whip it. Yeah, right. I'm like riding in the rain.
What you going to do for this?
You gotta get on. Gotta get on.
In the rain?
Ain't gonna be in the rain on this thing. I'll wait. In the morning. Yeah. I ain't no more Christmas. Get down there early when they first open up. First damn one.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, that's why I used to do it anyway.
Early on a Sunday morning.
They open up at 7, I'll be there.
Yeah. It's gonna be raining tomorrow.
Yeah. Walk on that.
Yeah. Makes sense to me. China, you're beautiful. Hey, pretty girl. Hi, sweetheart. How you doing? How you doing, China? Where you going now? Come here, mama. Hey, you been outside in the rain. You got to drive. Go on an event somewhere. You shaggy dog. China. China. I love you. High five, China. Give me a pokey. Ow. Love you too. What you call you poke? You like take your nose and poke people with. Go eat. Good girl. China, look at all them 18 brothers and sisters. I said, good God, China.
18.
Yeah. She's like, what am I do, mama? She look at her mama. And her mama like, you gonna stay and watch these puppies I get back. That look she gave China. China started running and watched all them little puppies. And then one of the little black puppies jumped out and got on the little white and gold one. And her mama just snapped at her. China looked like she hurt. Yeah. 18 of them.
Do that, Rick. 18.
Well, you go look up on there and see.
What you say, though? You got it. I'm calling that block. No, I am on the thing. I got hamburger every day.
Yeah.
They all right. They're from the house. They out the rain.
I feel like I'm worried about some damn dogs. I love them dogs. They all right. Man, where you get this shit from? China. China, where you going, sweetie pie? China. Give me a pretty girl. Oh God, I dropped something. China. What's wrong, Mommy? You're China. What's wrong with you? Huh? What did I miss? Come on. I will. It's a wet tail. And God, we put that. I put it up there. Get your butt on and do it. Just throw it in the washing machine. You gonna lay down? Yeah, there you go. Always a good idea, guys. We got pets and they house dogs. Always keep a linen on your couch. Because when they get their wet butt on it, all you gotta do is throw it in the washing machine and put them back outside. Ouch! Yeah, we just tripping, sitting here just having a good time as a family. Raining outside. God, cold rain. I'm supposed to go to the movies today to go see Harriet. Very excited about that. Yeah, guys, you should check out that movie because it's about Harriet Tubman, who was one of the founding people of the Underground Railroad that led many Afro Americans to the North, so that we can have a better way of life when, well, slavery days, if you want to go all the way back that way. But Harriet Tubman is a great movie. It's called Harriet. So please check that out. And there's another one out called The Joker. Go check it out. But anyway, guys, we're just trying to bring you a little piece of us chilling here in the Carolinas with Cheese, China, and myself, Double D. Just relaxing. And we're hoping that you're having a beautiful day. Hoping that you're staying warm, blessed, which you already are, because you're watching this, you are blessed. Surely God woke you up this morning. You got great intentions, or you just chilling like us. Tomorrow is Mr. Cheesy's birthday. Oh, Lord. Like everybody know his birthday. China, you see she's about to go to sleep. China, you gonna say goodbye? Say hasta luego, baby. Say bye-bye. You gonna say see you later to YouTube world, huh? China wanna get up close and personal, y'all. Because this is Dogs Are Us. Say peace, China. Say peace, Miss China. All right, guys. Peace. And no, China does not smoke Newport. They're mine. Funny, I saw that, guys. Peace.